When it comes to filing taxes, two common filing statuses are single and head of household, each with its own set of rules and benefits. Understanding the differences between these two statuses is crucial to ensure you are taking advantage of the best tax benefits available to you. First, let's start with the single filing status. This status is for individuals who are not married, divorced, or separated, and do not qualify for any other filing status. As a single filer, you will typically pay more in taxes compared to the head of household status. This is because the tax brackets for single filers are narrower, resulting in a higher tax rate. On the other hand, the head of household filing status is for unmarried individuals who have a qualifying dependent, such as a child or parent, and pay more than half of the household expenses. To qualify for this status, you must also have a dependent who lives with you for more than 6 months of the year. As a head of household filer, you will typically pay less in taxes compared to the single status. This is because the tax brackets for head of household filers are wider, resulting in a lower tax rate. One of the key differences between these two statuses is the standard deduction. For the tax year, the standard deduction for single filers is lower compared to head of household filers. This means that if you qualify for the head of household status, you will get a higher standard deduction, which can result in a lower taxable income. Another key difference is the eligibility for certain tax credits. For example, the Earned Income Tax Credit is available to both single and head of household filers, but the credit amount is higher for head of household filers. Additionally, head of household filers may be eligible for other tax credits, such as the Child Tax Credit, which is not available to single filers. To illustrate the differences between these two statuses, let's consider an example. Suppose you are an unmarried individual with a child who lives with you and you pay more than half of the household expenses. If you file as single, you will pay more in taxes compared to filing as head of household. By filing as head of household, you will get a higher standard deduction and may be eligible for certain tax credits, resulting in a lower taxable income and a lower tax bill. In conclusion, understanding the differences between the single and head of household filing statuses is crucial to ensure you are taking advantage of the best tax benefits available to you. If you are an unmarried individual with a qualifying dependent, filing as head of household can result in a lower tax bill and a higher standard deduction. It's always best to consult with a tax professional to determine the best filing status for your specific situation and to ensure you are in compliance with all tax laws and regulations.